Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and you guys are always asking me questions about where I get my bundles, who do I get my wigs from, what kind of wigs do I like to get, what kind. So today I'm going to be talking about where I get my hair, what kind of hair, and how to style it. So if you're interested, please keep on watching. So as you guys may know, this is my first time ever doing black hair, and honestly I like it so much. It's so long, it's 30 inches. I'm gonna back up so you guys can see it. I'm so short. So I got this hair from Beyani hair collection, and I found them on Instagram. I follow a few pages like Arrogant Tay that uses their hair, a few other Instagrammers as well, and I heard good things about it, so I decided to try it. This is a little bag that I came in. Real cute, you know, I like packaging. It's 30 inches of Brazilian hair. It is 150 density. The density is the thickness or however much hair they put in it. I put 150. I don't like my wigs too heavy. The hair is really soft, easy to style. I got loose waves when I got it styled by the girl at the salon, and my hair still looks good. Thank you. It does come with a clip in the back. The clip is more so just to stuff it in your hair so that you don't feel like the wig moves or anything like that. On the website, you do get to choose your cap size. I got a small because my head's small. There's small, medium, and large, so you have many choices to pick from. Lace on this wig is really good, and like it blends in with my skin tone a lot. And I've never had a wig look so good on me, like natural. This should look like it's coming out of the scalp. I do love this lace. The lace blends in very good with my scalp. It's very easy to style, and it's not noticeable when you look at it. And it just makes the wig look 10 times more natural, so that's good. Production and shipping time. I ordered my wig on the 12th of January this year. I ordered a body wave full lace wig, 30-inch Brazilian. It also states on their website how much production time for that exact wig is, so you have to take note of that too if you want to order your hair last minute. Just make sure you look at that too. It is in the description. And I got my wig in about production and shipping. I got my wig within 6 days, which is really fast because usually I order wigs from other places and it's 10-day processing and then 6 days shipping, so that's way too long to wait for a wig. And it came really fast. Very secure packaging, tracking included, and yeah, I was very happy with that. To order, so you go into your Instagram handle, you type in Beyani hair collection, which is BEYANI hair collection. You go to their website, which is in their bio. For wigs specifically, you go to the little dashes at the top, and you click shop wigs. The one that I chose was the body wave full lace wig starting at $325. I always get 30 inches, and I always get Brazilian, and then 150, and it does say in the bio for this wig that it is 150 density with transparent lace. To style this hair, I'm really just going to show you guys what this hair looks like if you were to play around with it instead of just leaving it down. So I'm just bringing a bunch of hair up. I'm kind of creating that line, and I'm taking these clips, just getting them in my hair. And this wig is incredible, like the way it just blends. I'm like so happy. I will always order my hair from them. I've had issues with other companies where the lace is okay, but then the hair sheds, or the hair isn't okay and the lace is bad, or vice versa. So I'm really happy. Like when you're buying a wig, you have to be very like cautious about your pocket. If they're overcharging you, if it's worth the money, if it's not, if it's good quality. Usually when I buy a wig, I have to cover my lace with baby hairs, like some drapes going around my face. But as you can see, this lace is very high quality, natural. It's just hella versatile. My final thoughts on Beyani hair collection is that their hair is really good, very luscious, healthy, soft, easy to style. Their lace quality is amazing. The transparent lace that they have melts so good into my skin color and just goes really good with my skin tone, which I've never been able to find. So I appreciate you guys for tuning in, and I will link all the information below, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.